Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to House Money. This is your Monday tip to help you save more and spend smarter as a homeowner. Okay, so today we're talking about your water heater, right? This is the thing in the basement that's got all the water in it that keeps the water flowing through, keeps the house warm, keeps the hot water going. It's not flashy, right? But listen, if you don't flush it once a year, you're actually setting yourself up for bigger bills and a shorter lifespan on the unit. Okay, everybody complains that they fail really early. Here's one reason why, right? So over time, sediment actually builds up inside of the tank itself. This is from the water, naturally, right? That makes your water heater work way harder than it actually should, and you end up paying for it every month. Right, it also beats up the system, though. Right, this is the bigger problem, meaning you'll be replacing it much, much sooner. Right, and that's a $2,000 to $4,000 problem that I would imagine you do not want. Right, so here's the thing: flushing it, it's actually pretty simple, believe it or not. Even though it sounds like the kind of thing you wouldn't want to touch, turn it off, hook up a garden hose to the little drain near the bottom, drain out all the gunk, and you're good to go. Right. Conversely, if you're like me and you don't even want to think about it, you could also pay a plumber to do it. You know, one, two, three, $500. No, it shouldn't be that much money. But really, you have somebody else come over, do it quickly. It's like a 30, 45-minute job. Not a big deal, right? Small maintenance now, big savings later, right? That's house money. See you guys next Monday.